Long-Chain Meditation, Part 3. Sufferings of Samsara. Meditation 30. The three fundamental types of suffering. Please read Kampo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and Dakinis. Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the six realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Meditate on the three fundamental types of suffering of humans. Suffering upon suffering. This is the agony when, before one suffering is over, another blow strikes. For instance, a person is barely recovered from the bereavement of losing his father. Soon afterwards, his mother dies. When one's health fails, the moon heads south also. Or, as in the case of a leper who, before finding a cure, contracts another disease. The suffering of change. Whatever happiness enjoyed at the present is ephemeral. And may turn into misery in the blink of the eye. For example, when people are making merry at a wedding reception, a calamity suddenly strikes, instantly transforming a state of joy into weeping sorrow. Such was the case with the victims of an earthquake or tsunami. The all-pervasive suffering. This suffering means that in appearance, we may not feel any overt suffering. Yet, we have not freed ourselves from the causes of it. It's like having ingested a slow-acting poisonous potion. We may be fine from the moment, but eventually we'll come down with illness. In fact, everything we do and have now, our very food and clothing, our homes, the things we take pleasure in, are most likely non-virtuous actions in the making, and will lead us nowhere but to suffering. with the exception of sages. No ordinary being is immune to these three kinds of sufferings. The maneuvers that rely on wealth, power, and so on are powerless in getting rid of them. The only recourse is to practice the Supreme Dharma. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.